Your $5 investment will give you $3,000 every month. Yes, there is no fraud in this. There is no scam. The money will be in your own pocket. You will get it every month. Imagine you and 20 friends. Each of you puts just $5 aside every day. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't hurt your paycheck. It feels small, almost invisible. But when all of you do it together, something interesting happens. At the end of the month, that small daily habit turns into a big amount of money. This system is not new, not fancy, and not complicated. It's called a committee. A committee is the name of a group that gives you your money by doubling, tripling, quadrupling, or increasing your investment. A committee is very simple. You and your friends agree to save the same small amount regularly. Everyone is equal. Everyone follows the same rule. All the money collected goes to one person each month. In the first month, the first friend receives the full amount. That money can help with rent, groceries, bills, or something important they were waiting for. The next month, another friend receives the full amount. This continues month after month until every person in the group has received their turn. Think of it like this. Alone, saving money feels slow and boring. $5 doesn't feel powerful by itself. But together, those small amounts become meaningful. It's like lifting something heavy with one hand versus lifting it with many hands. The weight becomes easier. In a committee, you are not earning money from interest or tricks. You are simply using teamwork and discipline. Everyone helps each other by staying consistent. This works because it removes temptation. Instead of spending that $5 on snacks, delivery, or small things you forget later, the money is locked into a group promise. You don't feel alone. You feel responsible to your friends. And when your turn comes, receiving that lump sum feels rewarding. It feels like progress. Many people use it to catch up on bills, handle emergencies, or finally breathe a little easier financially. The real power of a committee is not the money itself. It's the habit. Small daily effort, shared responsibility, patience. You learn that big results don't always come from big actions. Sometimes they come from simple consistency with the right people around you. If you feel like saving money alone is hard, this system shows that together it becomes much easier. If you want to earn money with this method, share this video with your friends. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day. Now, let's look at how this works in real life. Imagine 21 friends, each contributing $5 every day. That's $105 a day for the group. In 1 month, the total collected for one person can reach around $3,000. That's a huge help for anyone needing to pay rent, buy groceries, or cover unexpected bills. And the best part? It doesn't matter who you are or how much you earn individually. The system works because everyone contributes a little and everyone benefits when it's their turn. Another important part is trust. A committee is based entirely on honesty and commitment. Everyone must contribute their share every day. If one person skips, it affects the whole group. But when everyone stays consistent, it creates a sense of teamwork and discipline. People start to respect the habit of saving and helping each other. It also builds financial confidence because each month someone receives a lump sum and sees the power of collective effort. Finally, this system teaches patience and planning. You can't take the money all at once. You have to wait for your turn. That waiting period trains your mind to plan ahead, budget better, and value money more. Over time, the habit of daily contribution and shared responsibility becomes natural. You start understanding that small actions, when repeated consistently and done together with others, can create surprisingly big results. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day.